I wanted to jump on very quickly today to let you know some exciting news. My Phonics first aid book is available for sale now on my website. You can get a physical copy of the book. Order today, and this book will be sent directly to you using whatever shipping address you choose. Now, this program is a complete reading curriculum, but it's for beginning readers, but not only that, it's for struggling readers. So if your student is in first grade, second grade, third grade, I tutor students in fourth grade with this book, and they are not reading up to grade level, then this book is for you. If your student is just beginning and you're looking for a curriculum for pre-K or kindergarten for this upcoming year, then this product is for you. So homeschool moms, I know we're shopping around this time of year. Please take a look at this and let it be an option for your reading curriculum. It also includes spelling. It is a complete program and it builds a solid foundation in phonics. If your student is, we're here in January at this time of year, a lot of times parents are getting worried about their struggling reader. Their child is not performing up to grade level. The teacher is sending home notes. There are some issues. Then this resource would be something that you can use to plug in those holes in that phonics foundation. I have lots of support videos already in place on this channel for you if you buy this resource. You can have all the printables and you'll have all the resources and videos and support. So I hope that this will be a blessing to you. So I will put the link below. I would love it if you would go and just check it out. It's on my website. And please do share with your homeschooling friends or other parents that you know. It is my hope to make super readers out of all of our children. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.